this video, we're going over the chicken. We're going to play the melody. And so I'll show you the positions that I'm using and all that, and fingerings, and then we'll have a play along segment as well. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications as well. And welcome your comments too. All right, well, let's get started. I started out the video by playing this. So I'm playing this chord. Okay. Just kind of back and forth there. So there we're going from B flat to E flat 7, and I'm just including just these two voices. So with the melody, we started out with this. Okay, and then we go into okay, so I'm kind of bending this note a little bit. So okay. Then we go into the next few notes here. Okay, and then we're gonna play, these two notes. Moving up to 8th position. Okay, and then we're gonna slide in to 8th position from 7th position. And play that a few times. Okay, and then we're gonna go to 6th position and we play. And we'll play that chord there. So that's basically going through the melody, and then we could play that figure again with the chords. And we play that 4 times total. All right, well, let's try it out. We're going to play that twice through. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Really great tune and a lot of fun to play. If you need any additional help with the tune, be sure to get in touch with me. You can find out more about me in the description below. Thanks.